Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cancel billing plan in OpenAI. And here's how it is done. If you no longer wish to use OpenAI or the ChatGPT API and want to stop being charged, canceling your account is a smart move. To begin, visit platform.openai.com and sign in to your OpenAI API account, which is the same one you use for ChatGPT. To cancel your paid OpenAI API account, go to your account name, select Settings on the left side, and then click Billing. Here, you'll find the option to cancel your billing plan. It is important to note that OpenAI API users are not on a subscription model. Instead, they are billed based on usage at the end of each month. If you wish to stop being charged, click Cancel Billing Plan. Keep in mind that when you cancel, you will still have access to the OpenAI API until the end of the current billing period. After this period ends, OpenAI will issue a final invoice for any usage, and it will reject any future API request. If you're okay with this, click I understand and confirm the cancellation. This will cancel your paid OpenAI API account or plan. That is everything you need to know about how to cancel billing plan in OpenAI. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.